Hey there everyone, welcome to Blades and More for my review of this Hogue X1 Microflip folding pocket knife. Hogue's been around for a while. They're a USA manufacturer. Blades are made in the United States. And this is a mid-sized knife, comes in at 6.7 inches long overall length with a blade length of 2.7 inches. And a handle length of 4 inches. So it fits into my pocket very nicely. Has an aluminum handle, nice scalloping texturing on it. It's a button locking mechanism with a flipper tab opening. Also has a safety lock feature that works to prevent it from closing, and just in the open position it works, the safety lock. The handle design's nice contoured, scalloping, texturing. Nice finger choil in the handle. Fits my large to extra large hand well. I can get my little finger over the butt of the handle. Has a G10 backspacer in the handle, kind of a sawtooth type design. Has a tip-up carry design, nice centering in the blade, in the handle. The stainless steel carrying clip comes on the right-hand side, but it can be switched over to the left-hand side. Hogue also makes this in a little larger version. This is the smaller, the Microflip. Make it in a regular size too. I think it's in the 7-inch type range overall length. Has a very nice blade design with a small sharpening choil. Nice swedge on the blade. There's a heavy jimping on the thumb ramp type area of the blade. Nice belly on this drop point blade design. Nice belly on the blade. I brought into a few of my comparisons. Let me enlarge the screen a little bit, just give you a small idea about. Well, here's my Benchmade Osborne. Here's my Benchmade Bug Out. My Spyderco Delica 4. And let's bring out one more here, my Ontario Carter Trinity. They're all a little bit larger than this Hogue Microflip X1. Hogue says it weighs 2.65 ounces. I'll bring out my scale here. Let's see if it's close. 2.7 ounces, so yeah, just about right. Let me bring in a piece of paper here. I'll do a quick little cut test, if I may, please. Let's try this other side. I'm going to get a little better grip on the paper. Makes it a little tough. I'm in tight quarters here. Overall, it has a nice cutting edge on it. So I would estimate the approximate cost of this comes in around $150. These X1 Microflips do from Hogue. I think I mentioned that it has CPM 154 blade material. Stainless steel stone-washed carrying clip. Stainless steel liner. Button lock works very nice. Button opening. Very nice piece. I would give it high recommendations. I love this Hogue. I love Hogues in general. Most all of them. I haven't handled a Hogue that I really didn't like. Of course, I really don't do too many negative knife reviews if I can help it, and I really try not to buy knives that I'm going to be doing negative reviews on. So, but if I don't like a knife or it has issues, I certainly will let you know in my reviews. But this piece, I really have no complaints about it at all. It's a nice piece. The aluminum handle's very nice. Fits nice in my pocket. The weight of 2.65 ounces is just right. Really nice carry. Nice and sturdy. It would be well suited for a variety of different duties. So there we go, everybody. It is the Hogue X1 Microflip folding pocket knife. I would appreciate it if you would comment, like, and subscribe. And thanks a lot for coming and watching. I appreciate it. Hope to see you back again soon. All right. Bye now.